Hi there, Lisa, back again with another video. So this is a full flip through of all my March monthly and weeklies. Cutting it a bit fine this month. Today is the 28th of February, so really needed to get this done today so I can actually start using it tomorrow. Decided to go nice and bright and 2 pages with my calendar page. So March is my birthday month. So decided to go big and bold. I absolutely adore this washi tape. I call it my busy bee washi. So daily highlights, and I decided here rather than have the title at the top of the page, I was going to go and have it in the middle just for something different. And I do love this page to look back over the months and read through just the one-liner that you put in of something that's captured the day for you. So my next page then, for anyone that follows Get Things Done, this is my inbox. Everything goes in one of these 4 boxes to start with, and then I move it around my journal as I need to. So it's must do, need to, would like to, and someday. And those 4 areas, it does fit every task that I need to put in there as well. And hopefully a busy bee. Meal planner, if you've watched any of my other videos, you know that I do monthly meal planning, but I have pulled them into my weeklies this month just for something different, and you'll see that in a minute. Expenses, just keeping track on what I'm spending. I did put in some alternate highlighted lines just so it makes it easier to write on each line. If you've tried writing across dots, it's actually quite difficult, so hopefully this will make it a bit easier. And again, pulling that yellow and the busy bee washi through. So previously I've had sleep trackers, habit trackers, all sorts of different trackers, health trackers, and I decided that I'd started feeling a bit of a slave to my trackers. So this month I've got rid of the trackers as part of my monthlies. I've got little boxes in some of my weeklies, but not all of them. But the one area I wanted to continue tracking was my steps. I've got the flexibility. I like to do 10,000 steps a day, but don't always. So I've got the flexibility here. And 10,000 steps is purple, so let's hope this is a wash of purple by the end of the month, but we'll see. I then wanted a page, so I quite often see a word or a quote or somebody says something nice to me, and I want to start capturing those things because you think, I'll remember that, and then you don't. So yeah, positive stuff, just things that have made me smile or made me think. Something nice somebody has said, and I'll write these in as we go. And that's it for my monthlies. Nice, short and sweet. On to my weeklies then. I have done separate videos on these, not so much my weeklies, but I've done Plan With Me for my monthlies, so be sure to look at that video. The weeklies I have had I've uploaded a video and I go into detail about what pens I've used, etc. So if you want to see that's in my channel page. So I've gone back to 2-page weeklies. I've done probably the last 3 or 4 months now just using 1-page weeklies. But I decided that I wanted to pull, even though I'm doing my meal planning for the month, I wanted to pull it through on a weekly basis. I've got a small habit tracker here, but I wanted a focus box as well, alongside my 7 boxes for my dailies, effectively. So that's week 1. Week 2, and I've said before, I can't draw at all, so for me, I do view my setups as minimalist. It's washi, it's a coloured pen, and it's boxes. It's as simple as that. These spreads come together really, really quickly. Again, for this week, I decided to go without the habit tracker again. I'm trying not to make it part of my everyday life. But it doesn't hurt now and again. So my 7 boxes, my focus box, my remember, so something for the next week or the next month, I can pop it in there, and my meal planner. So the next page then, coming away from all boxes, I absolutely love this bunting washi, so decided to pull that through as a theme and go without boxes on the sides, but still have my 7 boxes and my habit tracker in the middle. This Tombow here is my favourite. It's called Blush. I can't remember it's Tombow 772. It's the blush. Absolutely gorgeous. I use that in this page as well. And lastly, gone in with a turquoise this time. And again, it's my 7 boxes. It's my habit tracker, meals and focus, with lots of space on the dailies. And you will note that I finished my March bullet journal on the 28th. That's because I absolutely love starting a new month and any excuse to do so. So the 29th, 30th and 31st will go into my April spread. So that's it. I'll do a quick flick through page by page for you. Calendar page, highlights, my inbox, meal planner, expenses, step tracking, positive stuff, and then on to my 4 weeklies for the month. So I hope you enjoy seeing that. Obviously my next video will be into my April spreads. I can't believe that we're edging towards thinking about April already. That's crazy. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care.